Introducing Netstrata Space, a simple new way for owners and residents to report maintenance issues affecting your strata scheme, all from the convenience of your mobile device. If you are an owner or resident living in a strata scheme managed by Netstrata, you can access the app by simply entering your mobile number. For security and verification purposes, you'll receive a one-time passcode to access the app. If you are a new owner or resident and yet to register your mobile device, you can register your device here. You can report an issue by clicking the Add button. On the issue's location screen, you will be prompted whether the issue affects your lot or the common property. Add a summary and brief description of the maintenance issue you'd like to report. You can add photos and report whether the matter is urgent and requires immediate attention. Once you have submitted your issue, it will be lodged directly with your strata manager. You will receive notifications once your issue has been actioned and completed. You can also follow maintenance issues reported by other residents with your scheme. To follow, be sure to allow notifications and click Keep Me Posted. You can download the app to your Apple or Android device by scanning the QR code. Or search for Netstrata Space in the Apple Store or on Google Play. You can report any maintenance issue that might be affecting your property, regardless of the urgency, size, or detail. The more information, photos, and detail you provide will assist our office and tradespeople when they attend site. Netstrata Space, an exciting new, convenient and easy way for residents of your scheme to report issues affecting your property.